Amity School of Architecture and Planning at Amity University, Rajasthan at Jaipur is for the past few years seeking to leverage its unique location in the World Heritage City of Jaipur. By virtue of being present, its presence in Rajasthan, Jaipur, we are seeking to look into all the dimensions of the urban development of this unique city. In terms of its past, we envisage to look into the historical cultural heritage of Jaipur, of the unique cultural and craftsmanship traditions which prevail in this area, for leveraging it into the building environment which is getting created for the future. In terms of its present, we are looking to engage urban developments where we are looking into historical areas like Jaleb Chowk, its application for the future, and also developments and the issues which are present in Jawaharlal Nehru Marg. These are the two projects on which we have taken up detailed studies, and I hope we will be in a position to give our proposals in a very short time. In terms of its future, we are uniquely wanting to prepare our graduates and researchers in a manner that they are able to leverage the latest available software tools for its application for sustainable development. Our students have started looking into the application of latest software tools like Rhino and Climate Consultant to study the building sciences of this traditional city and application of the latest principles to make this as a completely sustainable settlement. As such, there are energy simulation models which are being done, climatic suitability analysis which have been done, and traditional building materials and crafts are also being envisaged for its application in the future. Apart from that, department is also looking into the application of construction waste to use it innovatively in the building industry so that all the waste which presently tends to become a problem can be utilized gainfully for future construction aspects. We are also looking into developing innovative structures. Our students on campus and our researchers are actively engaged in developing unique structures to test together with the civil engineering department and develop these in suitability to the climatic aspects that prevail in the city. In the process, we are actively seeking to collaborate with different organizations. We've been working together with the DST. We've been trying to look into certain other organizations which are working in the field of conservation and expand our urban innovation lab for making the cities future ready.